Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what happens when Asian traditions meet the cutting edge technology? What if the vibrant patterns, rich history and powerful story of African fashion could be reimagined not just by humans' hands but by the artificial intelligence? Well, today we are not just wondering, we are unveiling. Get ready because you are about to witness my very first groundbreaking AI-generated African fashion collection. This is more than just clothes. It is a vision of the future rooted in our incredible past. Let's dive in without wasting time. And by the way, do me a favor without even wasting any time. Subscribe to my channel so that you can see more when it comes to actually AI fashion and much more on this channel. For the longest time, I have been fascinated by the intersection of technology and culture, especially how AI can be a tool for creative expression. And as an African, I'm incredibly passionate about showcasing the beauty, diversity, and innovation within our continent. So I embarked on a journey to combine these two passions, to create a fashion collection that celebrates African aesthetics, but with a twist. Every single design, every pattern, every silhouette was actually generated by artificial intelligence. Yes, you heard me, or maybe you heard me right. This isn't just about pretty pictures. It's about pushing boundaries, exploring new possibilities, and also honoring our heritage in a truly unique way. I'm so excited to share this with you all, and I truly believe this is just the beginning of something revolutionary. So without further ado, let's move on to the collection. First up, we have the Ancestral Echoes gown. Look at how the AI has woven traditional Andikra simples into a flowing contemporary silhouette. The vibrant blues and golds aren't just colors. They tell a story of wisdom and prosperity. Notice the intricate detailing on the sleeves. That's AI interpreting centuries of craftsmanship. And here's the urban safari example. This piece is perfectly blends the rugged beauty of the savannah with modern city chic. The AI played with the textures, creating a fabric that looks like woven raffia, but with an almost metallic sheen. This is the African woman who is bold, adventurous, and unapologetically stylish. Tell me, do you love them, or maybe are you loving this vibe? Now, for something truly breathtaking, the digital bloom dress. Inspired by the lush flora of the continent, the AI generated these organic, almost living patterns that seem to blossom across the fabric. It is a celebration of nature, digitally reborn. Imagine wearing this at a gala or maybe at an event. You will be a walking piece of art, right? Next, we have the Afro-Futurist Streetwear example. This is where tradition meets the urban jungle. The AI has taken inspiration from vibrant debele patterns and fused them with the modern, edgy streetwear aesthetics. Notice the bold geometric shapes and also the comfortable yet striking silhouette, perfect for making a statement on the city streets. It is a celebration of our heritage, reimagined for the contemporary, confident African woman. Tell me about this. How are you finding this? Like, do you love this vibe, or maybe do you love this wear, or maybe this outfit? Tell me in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. From casual to captivating, feast your eyes on the regal lace gown. The AI meticulously crafted this piece, drawing inspiration from the intricate lace work often seen in Nigerian traditional attire, but with a modern and also with an elegant twist. The deep emerald hues speak of royalty and sophistication, while the flowing silhouette ensures a timeless appeal. This is AI interpreting luxury and grace, perfect for a grand event or maybe a red carpet moment. Tell me about this. How do you find it? Our next creation is the Desert Rose Ensemble. This piece is a beautiful traditional fusion inspired by the resilient spirit and flowing garments of the North African nomadic cultures. The AI has captured the essence of the desert with earthy tones of terracotta and also sand, subtly intricating geometric patterns reminiscent of Berber art. It's a powerful yet serene look, embodying strength and also grace. Now, for those who command attention, we have the vibrant urban warrior ensemble. This streetwear look maybe is a powerful statement, blending the bold geometric patterns of the Western African textiles with a sharp tailored silhouette. The AI experimented with electric colors, creating a dynamic and confident aesthetics that are perfect for the modern African woman who is both fierce and also fashionable. It is about owning your space and making an impact wherever you go. What do you think about this look? Finally, we have the ethereal Sankofa Starlight Gown. This formal piece is a profound blend of tradition and also cosmic wonder. The AI has subtle woven the powerful Sankofa bird symbol, representing the wisdom of learning from the past, into a shimmering starlight-like pattern across a deep midnight blue fabric. The elegant silhouette, perhaps with a dramatic cape or a modest asymmetric cut, speaks of timeless grace and also a connection to a something larger than ourselves. It is a gown that tells a story of heritage, hope, and also the boundless possibilities of the future. What do you think about this look? I'd love to hear your comments, okay? So you have seen the magic, but what about the science? My process involved using advanced AI generation models, and I started feeding the AI some images of traditional African textiles, contemporary African fashion, historical garments, and even natural elements like landscape and wildlife from across the continent. Think of it as teaching the AI the language of African aesthetic. Isn't that just beautiful? Now, then it was all about prompt engineering, crafting very specific description for the AI or maybe to the AI. I'll ask it to combine, for example, the geometrical precision of Kuba cloth with the flowing elegance of a modern evening gown. Now, or maybe to infuse the earthy tones of the Sahara with a vibrant energy for Lagos street style. It was a constant dance between my vision and the AI's interpretation. As we all know, AI doesn't get everything. Now, not every generation was a masterpiece, believe me. There was a lot of trial and error, refining prompts and learning how AI understand different cultures or maybe cultural differences. But the beauty of it is AI can interact at lightning speed, allowing for an explosion of creativity that will take human designers years to achieve. It is not about replacing human creativity, but amplifying it. It is about using technology to explore new dimensions of our rich cultural heritage. Now, if you might ask, what is my goal, or maybe what was my goal in this video, or maybe in this showcase? My goal was always to ensure that while AI was the tool, the soul of African fashion remained intact. Every design is a homage, conversation between past and future, tradition and innovation. It is about celebrating the strengths, the beauty, the resilience of African women and men through a new lens of technology. I would love to hear your part or maybe your thoughts about AI on fashion, especially when it comes to our African culture and beauty, in the comment section. Now, you might be wondering, what tools did I use? Just to mention a few tools that I've used to get all this done, one of the most powerful tools that I have used in generating these designs, it is Manage AI, and also we have Design AI, we have Clinch AI for animation, and Design AI for actually animating every piece that I got, and also for the visuals in terms of actually the images. And also I have used other AI tools like CapCut for actually video editing and putting everything together. Isn't just that amazing? So there you have, guys, my first AI generated African fashion collection. I truly hope you enjoyed this journey into the future of fashion and culture. This project has been incredibly fulfilling, and it shows, or maybe it has shown me, that how powerful AI can be when it's used as a tool for creative expression and cultural celebration. Now I want to hear from you guys. Which design was your absolute favorite? What traditional African elements would you love to see reimagined by AI? Let me know in the comments section below, and your feedback is actually invaluable and also helps shape the future of this channel. If you found this video inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend and family if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my content. Until next time, guys, I'll see you. Bye bye.